This 2012 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2650BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, external shower, spare tire kit, skylight, air conditioning, smoke detector, DVD player, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2650BH is 4,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.